Major General level talks between India and China took place at the Patrol Point 14, which have just ended. Republic has now accessed details of the meeting and updates from Ladakh. What we can tell our viewers right now, there's been no fresh build-up that has been reported across the line of control. We are also being told that with regards to the Major General level talks, this is the second Major General talks that have taken place at Patrol Point 14. And not just that, Army has also released a statement saying that all troops have been accounted for. Let me go across to Abhishek, I'm told that Aishwarya is joining us live right now. Aishwarya, details that have been accessed by Republic TV with regards to the meeting. One, there has been no fresh build-up. That's one big takeaway.
Right.
There's been no reinforcement. Once again in the meeting, we are given to understand that the 6th of June agreement is what India has basically been harping on.
Well, that's right, Shavan, but at the same point of time, what the very act of aggression which has been committed by China, Government of India understands that they need to de-escalate and then de-escalate with immediate effect. India has said one thing very, very clearly and then specifically, Shavan, that we want peace. We've had the Prime Minister saying that, and now after the second Corps Commander level meeting, this was the second Divisional Commander level meeting which has ended today, but the de-escalation needs to happen from the Chinese side. Let there be no doubt about it. We are not the aggressors, the Chinese were. The PLA needs to go back, point number first. Secondly, yes, as you said, that no further reinforcement is happening, but then the reinforcement which was done initially needs to be de-escalated. And that is something which the Chinese have still not resorted to. And basically that has been raised up by our Foreign Secretary, by our Foreign Ministers and also by Secretary East while they've had their communication line with their counterparts back in Beijing. But as far as the military communication is concerned, this is that no further reinforcement should happen under any circumstance, Shavan. And this is why we are being told that another round of meeting could happen. There is also another meeting which is scheduled for the 22nd, 23rd of that meeting. That is at the level of the foreign ministers, and that is between India, China and Russia. So that is something else. But then what has happened today is this, that the Indian Army has once again communicated back to the Chinese that you cannot act as aggressors. You need to maintain the LAC. You need to go back. There is no doubt about it. Whether it is an inch, whether it is a kilometer, you are not allowed. You will not be allowed to cross the LAC. Shavan.
Well, Aishwarya, we are also getting in some more breaking news with regards to one big political controversy that we have seen through the day with Rahul Gandhi essentially raising this question: why were our troops unarmed? Now, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, number one, has already clarified that they were certainly armed, but the border protocol management was essentially followed. And not just that, Aishwarya, I'm also being told that the firearms are essentially that are carried, they are slung in the shoulders pointing downwards.
Yes.
That's essentially the protocol that I'm being told as far as firearms that have been taken into consideration. And more importantly, the fact that
Shavan, the Indian Army is the most professional army in the world. The protocol which you are mentioning is followed by every Jawan, irrespective of the hierarchy. There is a particular protocol that was followed. It is whether the slinging of the arms, when to use, how to use, where to use. There is a written protocol, and every Indian Army soldier, irrespective of his hierarchy, uses that, goes by that protocol. It is not that the Indian Army does not have weapons. Because as it was being portrayed by certain political parties, and to be very specific, by Rahul Gandhi, by the Congress party, that our soldiers were not allowed to carry arms is wrong, is false. And then the MEA has made apparently very clear, he himself, S. Jaishankar, came out with a social networking site and said it, that it's not that. It is a protocol which our army follows. We are not an anarchy. Our army is the most professional one, Shavan. And as you said, there is a particular protocol. You sling the weapon, aim it downwards, you use it only when allowed and only when the protocol basically permits. So yes.
Well, thank you very much, Aishwarya, for putting this into perspective. That's the latest as far as the Major General talks that took place at Patrol Point 14, which started around 10:30 this morning.